Welcome to our tutorial on mastering multiple-choice medical coding questions using the elimination technique. In this video, we'll explore how to effectively approach these questions to increase your chances of selecting the correct answer. Let's address a scenario involving a patient with a complete non-traumatic rotator cuff tear undergoing arthroscopic subacromial decompression and mini-open rotator cuff repair. We're tasked with determining the appropriate procedure and diagnosis codes for this service. Here's the question. A patient presenting with a complete non-traumatic rotator cuff tear is scheduled for a procedure at the outpatient surgery department of the hospital. The planned intervention consists of performing an arthroscopic subacromial decompression alongside a mini-open rotator cuff repair. What are the correct CPT procedure and ICD-10-CM codes for this service? Here are the choices. Letter A, 29827 and M75.120. Letter B, 29826 and S43.006A. Letter C, 29805, 23412, and S43.006A. Letter D, 29827, 29826, and M75.120. At this point, you can pause the video to give you time to solve this question. Once you are ready with your answer, hit that play button to see the solution and the elimination technique employed to get to the solution fast. Ready? We're presented with 4 answer choices, each representing potential CPT procedure and ICD-10-CM diagnosis codes. To determine the correct codes, we'll employ the elimination technique, focusing initially on the provided CPT procedure codes. Our first step is to carefully review each answer choice, prioritizing the CPT procedure codes. Let's examine each choice systematically. We begin by looking at the first listed codes in the answers provided. We are comparing the codes 29805, 29826, and 29827. Code 29826 is an add-on code. Add-on codes are always performed as additions to the primary service or procedure and as such, cannot be reported as a first listed code. Thus, letter B is first to be eliminated. The first listed code in letter C is 29805. 29805 represents diagnostic shoulder arthroscopies. Diagnostic arthroscopies are procedures where the inside of the joint is looked at or surveyed in order to confirm a suspected diagnosis. In diagnostic arthroscopies, nothing is cut, removed, or repaired just yet, as these are reserved for the surgical arthroscopies. Since, during the arthroscopy, a subacromial decompression was done, the procedure has gone way beyond a look at or a survey, and as such, is not anymore a diagnostic arthroscopy. Because of this, letter choice C is eliminated next. With only 2 letter choices left, it is for certain that the first listed diagnosis is 29,827. Our attention is now drawn as to whether a 29,826 would need to be reported or not. As mentioned earlier, 29,826 represents arthroscopic subacromial decompression. Since this service is documented to have been performed during the encounter, 29826 can be reported in addition to 29827. Last to be eliminated is letter choice A. The best choice, from among the options given in this question, is letter choice D, with 29827, 29826 and M75.120. By systematically evaluating each answer choice and eliminating those that do not align with the clinical scenario, we can increase our likelihood of selecting the correct codes in multiple-choice medical coding questions. We hope you were able to learn from this technique shared with you today. With much practice, this should become part of your strategy and bring you great results. Good luck on your upcoming medical coding exam.